how to make a boxcar that lasts. Step 1. Gather your tools. All of them. Step 2. Have a clean and organized workspace. Step 3. Get a helping hand. Step 4. Don't stop till the work is done. Step 5. Pay attention to the finer details. Step 6. Measure twice. Or 3 times. And cut once. But if you have to, improvise. Step 7. Remember, this is incredibly serious work. Step 8. Safety first. Step 9. Find the biggest hill you can. And step 10. Hold on tight. Let's go. If you follow these 10 easy steps, you may not have a boxcar that lasts, but you will have memories that do.